This road is not as rough as it probably seems on camera, but sometimes it feels like, when you're flying and you hit turbulence, that's what it feels like. Found myself a little spot here, and I'm gonna start setting up. So yeah. I ended up moving the van in a different direction just so it's to my liking, and I like it better this way, I think. Alright, I'm gonna continue the setup. Okay, now that this is untangled, these are string lights that I like to actually put around the awning, and the end actually ends up in the middle there. I don't have a ladder and I can't reach, so what I'll do is before I install the stakes, the hooks, so I can make this permanent, I'll actually lower the awning a little bit so I can put this up there. These are clothespins. I'm just gonna secure the string lights to the awning a little bit better. This is my typical setup. I'll have this kitchen table here. I also have this table here. I usually cut vegetables and stuff like that on that. I like the height. And the little table I have next to this is mostly for me when I'm sitting down in a chair and just relaxing, just like a side table kind of a thing. So now that the kitchen's pretty much set up, let's get cooking. Today I'm gonna be making street style hot dogs. The reason I call them street style hot dogs is because maybe 10 15 years ago when I went to LA, they had like hot dogs on the street, but they were making it with like bell peppers and stuff like that, and it looked really good. It was really good. Don't you worry, these are vegan. They're not gonna be, there's no meat in there. So rather than just me talking, let me show you how I make them. Okay, so I figured I would just show how I actually set up my stove and set up everything else, and yeah. nothing better than a beer to wash down those hot dogs. Every time I'm camping, I usually try to try different kind of craft beers just to kind of see what I like. I never had this before, but the cool thing about it is that the whole label is upside down, so that's the can. It's not sponsored or anything. I'm just showing you. Maybe you're interested to try different stuff. It's pretty good. I've had one yesterday. It's not too hoppy, which is perfect for me. So I'm just gonna sit down and enjoy this. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed coming along on today's video. If you did, you can show me by hitting that like button. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.